Hello, my name is Annette Guse and I'm the Travel Study Director for Berlin. I'm here to tell you about this wonderful opportunity to travel, study and live in Berlin for 3 weeks from May 5th to the 26th, 2014. Travel study programs offer academic learning in a new approach called experiential learning. You will learn through exposure to places, buildings, everyday culture and people. This form of learning is very intense and efficient. You see, hear, feel and move through the actual sites where history happened. You will earn a total of 6 academic credits, the equivalent of 2 courses in a regular term. Every course has 39 contact hours. This program is open to students from all faculties and across the disciplines. Berlin is unique in the way that you encounter the past and the present in every step you take. As a student, you will not only marvel at the transformation of Berlin, but you will also have the chance to dive deeper and to make sense of its many contrasts and contradictions.
Berlin's a unique and artistic city with a central location in Europe. Imagine it in the 18th century under Prussian King Frederick the Great, who built a whole complex of palaces in Berlin and neighboring Potsdam. After the war, it was divided for nearly 50 years during the Cold War, and then, once the Berlin Wall had fallen, reunified and reinvented once again.
The group will stay in a cool and hip youth hostel very centrally located at Alexanderplatz. The class will meet 4 times a week, mornings and afternoons, and is organized around field trips. There were also 3 day trips in the vicinity of Berlin. And on the weekends, Friday, Saturday and Sundays, you have free time to do your own excursions. 3 courses are offered, providing 2 options to students. Option 1, German studies taught in English. 2 courses taught alternating mornings and afternoons, both worth 3 credits. 1 culture and art history course, Berlin Now, Building the Modern City, focuses on Berlin's art, architecture and communities. We will be visiting museums, galleries, architectural sites and neighborhoods to explore the theme of modernization and transformation from the turn of the 20th century to the present.
This course is complemented by a history course called Berlin, Germany from Empire to Republic. The course begins in the late 19th century when Berlin first became the capital of United Germany. Then it moves through Berlin's heyday as a kind of bohemian capital in the Weimar Republic. We'll talk about Berlin's dark years in the Third Reich under the Nazis, and then we'll end the course with some discussion of the Cold War, Berlin's division during the Cold War, and then German reunification, when Berlin once again became the capital of the country. The 2 courses are designed to work really well together, and you can see if you look at our calendar of events and excursions that in the morning you'll be doing one thing, in the afternoon you'll be doing another, and the 2 things will fit very nicely together.
As a second option, we offer a language course in German for learners with no or little knowledge in German. Students will be instructed in the mornings, and in the afternoons they will do field trips and projects, applying the German they learn in the morning.
All courses are academically rigorous. Students are evaluated throughout with assignments, such as presentations, projects, and of course there'll be readings to do as well. Each course has a final exam, and there will be short assignments and quizzes to test your learning throughout. Your institution will decide whether to award credit for these courses toward your precise program, and UNB staff is happy to provide you with advice and necessary paperwork.
What is included in the course fee? Your accommodation with daily breakfast buffet, tuition for 2 courses, and a metro pass for bus and a subway system, admission for all course-related museums, galleries, tours, performances, and other attractions. At least 6 banquet meals will taste typical German food as well as ethnic food, for example, Turkish food. You know, Berlin is very multicultural. Finally, and this is something priceless, the international and cultural experience you will obtain on this trip will have a lasting impact on you. The travel study trip will broaden your horizon, it will make you grow as a person, and in fact it may change your academic path. You can email me or contact the College of Extended Learning for more information on how to register. We will accompany you and teach you. It is safe, well planned and highly innovative. Take advantage of this unique program. You are worth it. See you at the Brandenburg Gate.